Today we are going to the topic classification of accounts. It is very important to know the classification of accounts and their treatment in the double entry system of accounts. Broadly, the accounts are classified into three categories, that is personal accounts, real accounts and nominal accounts. First, we will discuss about personal accounts. Personal accounts, it may be further classified into three categories: natural, artificial and representative. What is natural personal account? As we all know from the name itself, it is an account that is related to an individual, like something Ram or Sham account. That is called a natural personal account. That is the account of a person. That is a natural personal account. Next is artificial personal account. So this is an account that is related to any artificial person, so like ABC Limited or MS General Trading Limited, MS Reliance Industries, etc. So it is not a person, real person, it is an artificial person, right? So it is called an artificial personal account. Next is representative personal account. This account represents a group of accounts. That is, if there are a number of accounts of similar nature, so it is better to group them like salary payable account, rent payable account or interest receivable account, etc. So these are representative personal accounts. Now, next section is real accounts. We know that every business has some assets, right? And every asset has an account. So this asset account is a real account. And there are two types of assets, tangible and intangible. What are tangible assets? These assets are touchable assets such as plant and machinery, furniture, stock, etc. There is a physical form, we can touch it. So they are tangible assets. There are also certain assets we cannot touch or see. They are known as intangible assets. For example, goodwill, patent, copyrights, etc. But the accounting treatment for both type of assets is same. The next category is nominal accounts. Since this account does not represent any tangible asset, it is called nominal or fictitious account. That is, all kinds of expense account, loss account, gain account or income accounts come under the category of nominal account. For example, rent account, salary account, electricity expense account, interest income account, etc. So these are the major classification of accounts.